living above the clouds in one of the most modern cities in the world. This is Creek Rise Tower 1. We are in Creek Harbour here in Dubai. Today we're touring this amazing 4-bed plus maid penthouse suite, and I couldn't be more excited. In this building, there's only 2 penthouse suites. We are on the 38th floor. The apartment is a whopping 2,987 square feet, and it's listed today for 9 million dirhams. We want to thank our friends at Experience for letting us tour this amazing property. If you're interested in this apartment or anything like it, please reach out to us and we will set you up with the right contacts. As you enter this apartment, you're drawn directly to these amazing windows just covering basically wall to wall in the corner here. And you look out directly and you get a fantastic overview here of, we see Badia Golf Course over here, Festival City. The airport is very close by, obviously. And then behind in the distance, you got the Sharjah skyline. Okay, let's take a look around here. We'll guide you through the whole apartment. Firstly, this is the main kind of hosting area. This is the living room of the apartment. You got your own terrace here to have a nice view of the city. This room is just a masterpiece. It's a penthouse suite. You need the height of the ceiling, obviously. You got the nice lighting around the corners of the apartment, and moving over here we come towards the side of the new downtown that will be built here, which is also going to be built all the way out here, and you're going to have, which we'll see later in this video, very nice view of the Creek Tower that's going to be built as well. So absolutely amazing, and again, I just get happy here. It's just so light, it's just so bright. You never have to leave an apartment like this. You're above everyone else. You feel like a king, you know? More importantly, how would you furnish this? I don't know, I don't have too many ideas, but maybe Malin has a better idea.
So if we start here, so you're coming from the hallway, from the door entrance here, and you get blown away with this view. So how I want to finish this, I will probably get 2 big couches here, one here, and then one here to get the socialize here. And then a big carpet, a coffee table here. It should be easy to walk out here to the terrace. And then if we continue here, I probably want to have like 2 armchairs here to just sit here and enjoy this amazing view. And then keep coming here. I want to have a big 8-seat dining table. So both on this side you get that view, but on this side you will have the new downtown. So this apartment is perfect for parties, family gatherings, just a social apartment. So if we continue here then towards the kitchen, but first we have a small powder room here for the guests. And then if you continue here, you can also have a small kitchen table here if you not have this big family gathering. And then we're going out here to the balcony, and you can see here's a spacious balcony. Not that often did you see that road and that length of the balcony. And then you will have this amazing view over the new downtown that's going to be built. As you can see, it's already starting there. And then I will have the big Creek Tower, which is going to be called the queen of it. The Burj Khalifa is the king, and this one is the queen. So yeah, it's going to be an amazing view here. You're just going to go out here, take a morning coffee here. And then if you look down here, you have the park as well. So you get the green areas, you have the golf course there. So you still going to have the big downtown, but you still have the green area to enjoy it. So continue.
Back to the kitchen then. So kitchen is very well connected here to both this space obviously and the big living social area out there. And it's nicely furnitured, nicely designed, I should say, here by Emaar. And I actually left options here depending on what you want, right? You might want to have this more open bar style kitchen, but more importantly, the stove and the cooking area actually comes in over here. So they actually have left space for your own stove, and you can do some of the more dirty washing in here. And it's very easily and conveniently to close out this part. So in some nationalities, some cultures, they prefer the closed kitchen. And I think this is a quite nice solution to get the hybrid one, because a lot of the other properties you've seen, it's either like completely closed or completely open. And here it's like the option to close some of it or to leave it as it is. But it is just very welcoming. And this is just one of those designs that everyone likes, right? It's natural. Still no fridge or freezer, so you get the option to choose whatever you want. Sleek design, kitchen, and it has everything you need basically. Let's move over then towards the bedrooms and the maid quarters, and coming into the first bedroom. This is the first guest room. It's actually an ensuite as well. And as I said before, this apartment has 4 bedrooms plus a maid, so there's a lot of rooms, a lot of space. You have the view towards the balcony. The option could be as well, if you want to close it off, you want to have an office here. You have both, of course, full ensuite with your shower as well. Looks like a hotel, doesn't it? Lovely. And storage, this is something we love. A lot of apartments here, they get better at it all the time, I would say, in this city. You got your neat, light up storage here, where you can have all your nice suits and dresses. Let's continue down towards the other guest room, but before that we actually have the maid's washroom in here, which is very conveniently connected to then the maid's room. If you don't have a maid, it's a fantastic room for storage. Moving over then to the next bedroom here. This is a corner bedroom. The light coming into this room is just spectacular. You're definitely gonna need some nice curtains living in a room like this. You can also see it's a penthouse, right? So see how small I am even in this room. The floor to ceiling height is spectacular. It's more than what we're used to actually in our apartments in the Nordics where we come from. But this view is probably one of my favorites. Now you get why Creek Harbour is such a strategic point for Emaar, why they chose it. There you have the Burj Khalifa, you have the full downtown. I think I can see the flamingos over here in the sanctuary. It's pretty spectacular. So we got the views down of the harbour here with the Vida in the center. In the next rooms we're gonna see both the address towers as well. And from here you're gonna get some amazing views, especially during the sunset here. Trust me, when you see that over the downtown, you see the ones you never wanna live anywhere else. Absolutely fantastic. As well as the park area. This is right under us here. And as you can see here, it's a lovely green area. We saw some kids down there before playing football down there. And it's just, again, we've said it in the previous videos as well, this is full Emaar master community. Creek Harbour is a very ambitious project for sure. I think they launched the first apartments in 2019, 2018. This owner actually bought it in 2020, this apartment during COVID times, so probably a very, very good deal there. And you can see it with the community here. It's all planned out before. All the buildings around us is the same developer. You don't have to worry about getting a tower that's going to be created here and it's going to obstruct your views. It's all planned out, and you can see it from the above here. It looks even more fantastic, like the townhouses down here, the hotel down there, the green area. It just ties in together fantastically. Let's continue on to the other bedrooms. We got 2 more to go?
2 more.
It's so big, this apartment, I don't even know. This is the bathroom then, or the washroom connecting these 2 apartments next to each other here. They don't have en suites. And here there is another entrance. This is the service entrance into the apartment. It has its own elevator up, your food deliveries, wherever it might be. Another fantastic bedroom. Every room has, of course, again, their storage equipment. These views are just to die for. Now towards the pearl, the master. Let's see if Malin can guide us through the final section.
So welcome to the master bedroom. This has, of course, the best view against the downtown. It's unbelievable how clear you can see the downtown from here. Imagine waking up here and then get this skyline. And even in the evening, when you get the sunset here, the golden hour. I'm probably gonna have the bed this way. Like, I think they want to have it on the other way, but I just want to have this view when I wake up and when I go to bed.
Even better, coffee in bed.
Exactly, have some nice curtains, some pillows, some nice plants to make it even cozier. And then if you continue here, you have more wardrobes here. It's perfect size. I'll probably take all of these and then Jacob can have one in another guest room.
True.
And then this best part of this apartment, I will say, the ensuite. Look at this bathtub and have the view against the downtown. You're probably gonna find me here every night to take a bath and just enjoying the view against the downtown. And also the perfect his and hers basins, bathroom sinks. This is probably what me and Jacob's argue most with.
So far we never had an apartment, we have it so. But I love it now, you can actually see the mirror, the view.
Exactly, you can wash your face here and still have the view against the downtown. And then if we continue here, you have this spacious shower here with amazing
walk-in shower, yeah.
rain shower.
I love the details there, but I thought about it.
And then a small toilet here. So let's go back to the living room and I will show you how big this apartment is. So come on here. We are back in the heart of our apartment. The view says everything here. It's just an amazing apartment. But thank you so much for watching this video and following the journey. We haven't been able to be here. It wasn't for you. And keep following us, subscribe, and let us know if there's anything else you want to see. And then see you in the next one.